Good afternoon, students. Last class we are studying cooperative organization. Cooperative organization is a voluntary organization. All for one for all. That is main motto is all for one for all. Cooperative first started in England. Which year? 1844. India is started which year? 1912. First started in Robert Owen. The cooperative society's main motive is service. Profit is secondary. The cooperative society is main another motive is all are equal. All are equal. That is cooperative society. Cooperative society is a voluntary organization. Cooperative society in Tamil Nadu, Kamadhenu Supermarket, Siddhamani Supermarket, Salem Supermarket. This three is a very famous supermarket in Tamil Nadu. The cooperative society is Consumer Cooperative Society, Producer Cooperative Society, Marketing Cooperative Society, Credit Cooperative Society, Housing Cooperative Society, in so many cooperative societies. Each and every cooperative society is only in service motive only. In working in service motive. Okay. Today we all learn about lesson number 8, multinational corporation. Multinational corporation, MNCs. MNCs means multinational corporations. Multinational corporation is everybody, one best example is everybody knows which example. Multinational company example means MNC. MNC best example is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, Pepsi is a best example. Okay, listen students. Meaning and definition. Multinational company is one which is incorporated in one country called the home country, but whose operation extends beyond the home country and which carries on business in other countries, called the host countries, in addition to the home country. Home country means our country. It must be emphasized that the headquarters of multinational companies are located in the home country. Each and every multinational company, each and every country in one head office and headquarters. A multinational corporation is known by various names such as global enterprise. Listen students, everybody underline global enterprise or international enterprise, world enterprise, transnational corporation, etc. This 4 types of MNC: global enterprise, international enterprise, world enterprise, and transactional corporation. Next one, important definition. Students, everybody note it down. This is important MNC definition. A multinational corporation owns and manages a business in 2 or more countries. Author is Neil H. Jacob. Multinational company means 2 or more countries. 2 or more countries in multinational business or multinational corporation. MNC is defined to be an enterprise's operation in several countries. Several means several countries, but managed from one country. Full and full managed in controlled by one country. Oligopoly. Oligopoly means few. Oligopoly means few. Oligopoly is a market condition where there are a very few sellers. Where there are few sellers in the same product line. Listen students, example, some LED TV showrooms. LED TV showrooms few sellers only in selling that LED TV showroom. Next one, global enterprise. They are business of organization which operated in more than one country. Since they are operated in the more than one nation, they are also called as multinational companies. Multinational, multi means what? Multi means many. Multi means many. Multinational company means two or more countries operating in business, that is MNC. Listen students, MNC is very famous in 1991 in new industrial policy in implement in 1991. That main concept is LPG. LPG means what? Liberalization, privatization and globalization. This concept is implemented in 1991 in each and every country. Business is easy to one country to another country. Easy to move in labors and capital is move in one country to another country. The multinational company, that time is multinational company is famous in overall world. Next one, advantages and disadvantages of multinational companies. First one, lower cost labor. MNC set up the facilities in lower cost countries and produce a goods and service at lower cost. India is, listen students, India is labor intensive method and capital intensive method. Two methods of labor intensive method and capital intensive method. India is a labor intensive method. Labor intensive method means labor is very cheap in India. But other foreign countries, Russia, America, Japan, England, that is capital is more capital, but labor is very less, sufficient labor only. But India is labor is very cheap only. That time India more laborers in working in foreign country. Adopting more laborers in some foreign MNC companies. Next, it is gain cost of advantage and sells it is a products and service of good quality at low cost. This is not available to smaller companies. This lowest cost and service and good and quality only in high capital, large investment companies only, but not available in smaller companies, which is operated here at regional level. Operated in regional level means some most large scale industry in only in running in out of city only. That regional place only selecting run the more large scale industries. That large scale industries in out of city means that region is the worker is more employment created, more employment opportunity. First preference is that regional peoples only. Next one, quality product. The resources, experience and expertise of MNCs in their shapers of research and a development enables to host country to establish its research and development system, which is helps in producing quality and goods and service at least possible cost. The quality product, most MNC companies is good quality and good quality product in implement, good quality goods and services in implement and lower cost only. Next one, proper use of idle resources. Because of their advanced technical knowledge, idle resources, because of advanced technology in foreign country, most of country in advanced technology. This time is foreign country use this time technology in after 10 years only in India in implement that method. Okay. Next, MNC or position of properly utilize the ideal physical and human resources of host country. This result is increasing in national income of host country. Host country means that is more development or growth country only is a host country. One country's national income is yearly is raised meant automatically that is growth country. National income is very less or constant level means that country is developed country. India is a developed country, but foreign USA, Canada, Russia, England, that is growth country. Improvement in balance of payment position. Improvement in balance of payment position. MNCs helps the host country in increase their exports as such of the helps the host country to improve upon the balance of payment position. Improvement of balance of payment and MNC say hey, host country is more exports in more exports. More export means increasing means automatically improving in balance of payment position is automatically increase. Next one is technological development. MNC carry the advanced technological development 10 host countries. In MNC is the most advanced technological development implement in 10 host countries. In fact means reality. Fact, MNCs are vehicles of transference of technical development from one country to another country. Because of MNCs, poor host countries also being a developed technologically. Some poor countries, MNC is a poor host countries also being a developed. Some more poor country are now developed countries in more MNC company in develop nowadays more MNC company in develop in overall India, Nepal, Thailand, Indonesia, more exports in MNCs. More managerial development. MNCs employs at least management techniques and people employed by MNCs do a lot of research in management. MNC companies in each and every MNC companies in more research and development. New implement goods in new technological, new taste, new method, new way of consumers. That is new method is each and every country is research some methods. In the way of help of the professionalized management along at least latest line of management theory and practice. Latest lines of management theory and practice. This leads of managerial development in host country. The leads managerial development, managerial skill in more developed in host countries. Next one, end of the local monopolies. The entry of MNC leads to competition in the host country. Local monopolies of host countries either the starting improving their products and reduce the price such MNCs, but end of the exploitative trade practice of local monopolies. As a matter of fact, MNCs compel domestic companies to improve their efficiency and quality. In India, many companies acquire ISO 9000 quality certificate due to fear of competition posed by MNCs. Nowadays, more MNC product in many countries in implementing MNC product. The MNC product implement means automatically local monopolies automatically good product, good quality, good condition in some competition, good quality, efficiency, quality and product in implement in Indian market or local monopolies. India is many nowadays. India in many goods quality certificate in ISO 9000 is many companies is this certificate and due to fear of competition posed by MNC. India is some MNC product implement mean automatically many companies in good quality, good service, good products in implementing nowadays. Improvement in standard of living. Improvement automatically many MNC companies in implementation means automatically that regional development is standard of living is automatically improved. One side is one MNC company is implement means that first preference that local area people first selected, that automatically that regional development is automatically improved, that person's is standard of living automatically improve. Many MNC company in allowed means standard of living India in many poor people automatically standard of living is increase. Next one, promotion of international brotherhood and culture. MNC integrate economics of various nations with the world economy. Through their international dealings, MNCs promote international brotherhood and culture. They pave way for world peace and prosperity. The international companies, MNC companies, move brotherhood and culture. But brotherhood culture means automatically most of MNC company in India, many product in nowadays MNC product only in used in many product. That is brotherhood and culture, pay way of world peace and prosperity. That is MNC company in many countries in India in automatically India one MNC company means automatically 2000 3000 employee in new employment created new employment opportunity automatically. That regional develop is automatically increase. The regional development automatically increasing means automatically standard of living is increase. That is MNC. In advantage, listen students, advantages of MNC. First one is lower cost of labor, second one quality products, third one proper use of idle resources, next improvement of balance of payment position, technical development, managerial development, end of local monopolies, improvement in standard of living. Next one, promotion of international brotherhood and culture. Listen students, each and every day that you watch this video clearly, that day you read this question, next day you postpone means your workload is heavy only. Listen students, do not waste your time. Each and every line by line you read and underline the important points. Okay students, next class we will discuss next one new topic. Okay, thank you students.